Namaskar, welcome to your own YouTube channel SGKG Studies Guruji. In previous lesson, we have studied about leave rule for central government employees. So, in that salient features of leave and principles of leave, that all we have studied. Now we will start one by one काइंड्स ऑफ लीव. सो जब हम काइंड्स ऑफ लीव की बात करते हैं, सो कैजुअल लीव, स्पेशल कैजुअल लीव, अर्नड लीव, हाफ पे लीव, कम्यूटेड लीव, मैटरनिटी लीव, पैटर्निटी लीव, चाइल्ड केयर लीव, चाइल्ड एडॉप्शन लीव, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लीव, स्टडी लीव, लीव नॉट ड्यू, स्पेशल लीव कनेक्टेड टू इंक्वायरी ऑफ सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट. इट इज़ granted only and only to the aggrieved ladies. So, first of all we will learn casual leave, because many questions have been framed keeping in mind the rules of the casual leave. So, casual leave की जब हम बात करते हैं, casual leave means आकस्मिक अवकाश. Casual leave is more clear in Hindi than in English. Akashmik means sudden, emergency, immediately. Avakash means leave. So, casual leave is generally taken and is generally granted suddenly. Casual leave means not planned leave. Suddenly some requirement is there and there is need to proceed on leave. So, with the due permission of the sanctioning authority, that individual proceeds on leave. That is why it is called casual leave, आकस्मिक अवकाश. So, आकस्मिक अवकाश में कितना होता है? 8 days CL casual leave is permissible to central government employees. 8 days CL and 2 RH, restricted holiday. CL can be taken for half day also. This is the beauty of the casual leave. No other leave can be taken as half day except casual leave, because it is related to sudden requirement. Sudden requirement arises in afternoon, so half day leave. Since half day leave can be taken in afternoon also, so rule became that half day leave can be taken in the morning hour also. So there is lunch break period, that is the dividing time. Before lunch time, half day leave, after lunch time, half day leave. So half day leave can be taken, applied and can be taken and can be granted. Casual leave can be combined with special casual leave, but not with any other kind of leave. So casual leave can be combined with special casual leave. स्पेशल कैजुअल लीव के बारे में हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. कैजुअल लीव को स्पेशल कैजुअल लीव के साथ जोड़ करके लिया जा सकता है. CL कैन बी अवेल्ड वाइल ऑन टूर, LTC कैन बी अवेल्ड ड्यूरिंग CL. सो बहुत से जगहों पे लोग पूछते हैं आए दिन कि LTC के लिए EL लेना ज़रूरी है क्या? LTC कैजुअल लीव में ले सकते हैं क्या? जी हाँ, LTC कैन बी अवेल्ड during casual leave also. During casual leave also LTC can be availed. During tour also casual leave can be availed. Essentiality of short periods not granted for more than 5 days at a time. Generally, general rule is casual leave is granted for short period and it should not extend more than 5 days. However, sanctioning authority has some flexibility. Sunday and holidays falling during the period of casual leave are not counted as part of casual leave. So here it is written Sunday and holiday. So wherever central government offices are working for 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, so there Saturday is also holiday. So wherever 5 days working hour is there, Saturday is also holiday. So Saturday, Sunday both are excluded from casual leave. So if a person is taking Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, if he is absent for 4 days, so for 4 days if he applies for casual leave casual leave will be only for Friday and Monday, Saturday, Sunday excluded. But if he applies for earned leave, 4 days leave, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days leave. So in between leaves are falling, in that close holidays are falling, in that condition it is advisable to take casual leave. Generally people do it. For employees with disability, additional 4 days special casual leave for specific requirements relating to the disability of the official. So those who are disabled person, for the disabled persons, additional 4 days special casual leave is permitted on special circumstances, not in general. So altogether leave in a calendar year is 8 days. 8 days calendar in a calendar year casual leave is permitted. Casual leave is not a recognized form of leave. Though we are studying as a part of leave, but casual leave is not a recognized form of leave and is not subject to any rules made by the Government of India. It is the necessity, it is the requirement of that government employee, and that is why he has proceeded immediately. So you apply before 10 days, you apply before 14 days, you do like this, you do like that. Nothing is applicable to casual leave, because casual leave is not a recognized form of leave. It can be taken whenever required. An official on casual leave is not treated as absent from duty and pay is not intermitted. So one official is on casual leave, he is treated as on duty itself. He is not treated as absent from duty. He is treated as on duty itself, because casual leave is not a recognized form of leave. Some more points we will understand. Casual leave can be combined with a special casual leave, we have understood. It cannot be combined with joining time. It cannot be combined with joining time. Sundays and holidays are excluded. Sunday, public holiday, restricted holiday, weekly offs can be prefixed suffixed with the casual leave. Casual leave can be taken while on tour, but no DA will be admissible for the period. So during the tour, if some casual leave is taken, for that period of casual leave, no DA will be admissible. So it's better not to take casual leave during the through any tour. Casual leave can be taken for half day also. Essentially intended for short period, it should not normally be granted more than 5 days. We have discussed LTC can be availed. Individuals appointed and joining duty during the middle of a year may avail casual leave proportionately or to the full extent of the discretion of the competent authority. So what happens? Some joinings are there. Some joinings are middle of the year, middle of the month. So for that, how much casual leave? Generally casual leave is granted 8 days in a year, but those who are joining in between the year, in between the month, for them this proportion has to be applied. Please note it down. Those who are joining in between the month, in between the year, for them that this proportion, this fraction is applicable for entitlement of casual leave. एक वर्ष में 8 कैजुअल लीव मिलते हैं, लेकिन अगर किसी वर्ष में महीने के बीच में या वर्ष के बीच में किसी महीने में नई ज्वाइनिंग होती है, तो वैसे समय में जो CL है, जो कैजुअल लीव है, वो प्रोपोर्शनेटली उनके अनुसार, उस मंथ के अनुसार क्रेडिट किया जाता है. जनवरी में अगर ज्वाइन करते हैं तो 7 डेज, फरवरी में 6.5 डेज, मार्च में 6 डेज, अप्रैल में 4 डेज, मई में 4.5 डेज, जून में 4 डेज. वाई जून में 4 डेज? बिकॉज इट इज हाफ ऑफ द ईयर. सो हाफ ऑफ द ईयर हैज़ गॉन, हाफ ऑफ द ईयर इज रिमेनिंग. सो हाफ ऑफ द 8 is total casual leave. So half of the 8 is 4. So that means before June you are joining, so 4 plus leave. After June you are joining, June and onwards joining, then proportion will be reducing. In June month joining 4 days, July 3 days, August 2.5 days, September 2 days, October 1.5 days, November 1 day, December joining nil casual leave. So this is the proportion of casual leave for the newly joined employees. So we are studying central government rules on SGKG Studies Guruji YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, please do press bell icon so that whenever it is uploaded you get the first notification. Whenever new videos are uploaded you will get the notification. So please do subscribe, like and press bell icon for the notification. As far as classes on Right to Information Act is concerned, these classes have already been uploaded on SGKG 2.22 YouTube channel, earlier YouTube channel. This is Right to Information Act syllabus and classes are available on the earlier channel, that is SGKG 2.22. This SGKG Studies Guruji is exclusive channel only and only for the studies. So please do subscribe, share, comment wherever required. Your feedback is very much important for further modification in the classes. क्लासेस में कितने हिंदी का प्रयोग किया जाए, कितने इंग्लिश का प्रयोग, हाउ मच इंग्लिश आई शुड अप्लाई यूज, हाउ मच हिंदी आई शुड यूज, whether we should continue in the same rhythm, whether speed is more, whether speed is less. These all things we can discuss. You can put your views in the comment box. I will be waiting for your comments. Till then, namaskar.